Hey, this is Ronald from Math Skills University, and here are the three different versions or variations of Born Under a Bad Sign by Albert King. I'm going to show you those bass lines with tabs in reverse order. Which one do you like the best? Starting in 1978, Melvin Brannon's bass line. Compare Billy Cox's bass line on Jimi Hendrix recording of this song in 1969. And last but not least, the one and only Donald Duck Dunn in 1967. Which one do you think is the best? Leave your comments, suggestions, and ideas below. If you like this content, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and have a great day. Peace.